Good morning, beautiful majestic unicorns. Majestic Misty, right here. What I can tell you, and I can tell you on a pretty, not positive, that's not the word. On a sure scale. I hate waking up at 6 freaking o'clock in the morning on my own. What is going on? Why? Why? I want to know why. On a Saturday or Sunday, I can sleep till like 10 o'clock. Monday through Friday, I wake up at friggin' 6 a.m.? 6:10 to be exact. I didn't move around a whole lot because my hair, I don't know if we can see it. My hair is still in its bun, which I'm happy about because I forgot to put on my bonnet. But, oh my God. Why am I awake? In case you were wondering, I am not a morning person. I'm not somebody you want to talk to. I'm not somebody you want to bring anything to, unless it's a cup of coffee, and then you're just setting it down and leaving. Don't talk to me when I first wake up. Period. The end. No ifs, ands, or buts. Don't talk to me. And if you want something first thing when I wake up, it better be like something that you need to, like save your life. Because otherwise I'm just going to look at you like you are crazy. Why am I awake? And you know I laid here and I tried to go back to sleep. Do you think it worked? No. So now I'm going to get up. Have the dentist today. And I'm going to get up and clean some house, I guess. Stop waking up at 6 a.m., Misty. Stop. All right. I'm done whining. Hope everybody has a great day. Do those few things. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in just a little bit. So it's Wednesday, right? Happy hump day. I wake up at 6 o'clock because my body will not allow me to sleep later than freaking 6 o'clock on a weekday. But then I lay back down and I'm like, all right, because I'm not feeling 100%. And I got the dentist in like 2 hours. I got to leave for the dentist. And they're pounding outside. Like, that's what I hear. That's what I hear. Oh, I don't have patience. Stop banging, stop pounding, stop drilling into my, wherever you are, stop. Like, I live on a very busy street. I do not hear sirens. You know, that's just part of New York City. I've been here long enough. I just no longer hear sirens. I don't hear the ambulances, the fire trucks, but this banging, like I want to throw a chicken cutlet out the window at them. Or an egg. I just want to throw an egg out the window. Probably miss him, but at least grab some attention when it hit the ground. I need my sleep. And if I don't have my sleep, not only am I not happy, but I can guarantee you ain't nobody gonna be happy. Stop banging! Can you hear it? It does it. Alright. I'm just gonna get dressed. Yeah, that's like I was gonna leave my hair in a knot because it's still wet, but I don't know. Stop banging. Welcome back to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. I'm looking at my screen because I've got all kinds of weird stuff on it. I pushed buttons. If you know me at all in like for real, I have a button fetish and I will push every button there is and usually break something. Yeah. So hopefully I can figure out what I turned on or off I don't know. But I just came back from the dentist, had a filling fall out, so I had to get the filling put back in. And I got my night guard because I am what's considered an aggressive biter slash chewer. What that means is I have grinded my teeth so much that is there a spot? Come on. I want there to be a spot like right here. Is there gonna be? No, of course not. I grind my teeth so much that I have cracked my molars. So we had to fix those, and I tried every, when I say every, I mean every night guard that you could make, buy, like from Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. I chew through them. So this one is soft on the inside and hard on the outside so that I can't chew through it. And it's got a bottom guard that fits over my teeth. So if I do grind, it's just grinding on another guard and will not hurt my bottom teeth, hopefully. That's the idea. So anywho, hope everybody has a great day. I'll check back in later. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Hello, welcome to Pillow Talk. It's early Pillow Talk because my mouth hurts, my head hurts, and it's hotter than the devil's taint outside. And if you know me, me and the heat, we don't get along. Not even a little bit. Nope. My breathing wants to not breathe right. My lungs want to say, yeah, F you. And, yeah, we don't get along. So I came in, I walked the dogs, I came back up, took a cool shower, cool down, because, like, the heat really does, like, people who are close to me can honestly and seriously attest to the fact that temperature, I could be 110% happy. Not a care in the world, as happy as a pig in crap. I open the car door from the air conditioner car door to outside and it's 100 degrees and I go, don't talk to me, I'm hot. People will say, what's wrong? And they know and they repeat it just like this. You hot? I'm hot. I'm hot. Apparently that's how I say when I'm like a little frustrated and a little too warm. I'm hot. Is what I say. I'm hot. So then they go around. She's okay. She's just hot. She's just hot. Yeah. I do not like the heat. I am a winter girl. I love winter. It can snow. It can ice. I don't care. I am not somebody that says, please melt us all. Go. No, I do not ever wish for heat. Ever. So, this is early Pillow Talk because it's early. And, like, I had my tooth done. I'm not sure. It's coming back to, like, no numbness. And I'm not sure if I'm going to need a root canal. Might need a root canal. Yeah. Did get my dental, oh, what are they called? Because I grind my teeth so bad that I cracked all of my bottom molars. So I have a top night guard, but it's soft on the inside and super hard on the outside. Because I have chewed through all of them from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, my tooth is almost coming through right there. But, and then I have to put fluoride in it. So, and then I have just a bottom little rubbery one because it's just to keep my teeth from being damaged by the hard plastic on top. Because I am an aggressive biter and chomper and chewer. So, yeah. That is why we have this. And I have to try to remember in the middle of the night not to take them out and just throw them on the bed because then my dogs eat them. So anywho, This is a really long pillow talk. Sorry. Everybody have a super duper night. Love each and every one of you. You know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I will see you all tomorrow. Hopefully not so hot.